guys, it's Cassie, and today I'm going to be giving an honest review of Stitch Fix. So far, I have received 2 boxes from them, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I've been liking about it, what I haven't been loving quite so much about it, and just overall my experience so far with Stitch Fix. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. So basically, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing subscription service where you pay $20 to get a box of clothes. They send it to you. You get to try on all of the pieces, decide what you like and what you don't like. You can send back what you don't like and keep what you do. And you just go through a checkout process at that point and pay for the items that you are deciding to keep. The way they do it is they give you what I'm assuming is a personal stylist, and they kind of go through your style profile and choose items that they think that you're going to like, and that's what they put into your box. When I first heard of Stitch Fix, I was a little bit skeptical just because I wasn't sure if they were going to be able to pinpoint my style. I feel like sometimes I can't even figure out my own style, so I did not know how somebody else was going to do that for me. But I wanted to give it a try because I did want to get some more pieces that maybe I wouldn't pick out for myself, or broaden my style and try different styles that I wouldn't necessarily normally do, if that makes sense. And to be honest, whenever I see the ads on TV, I'm thoroughly intrigued by the thought of getting sent clothes every month, because I love getting packages in the mail, and whenever I order something for myself, I get super excited to see when it comes in the mail. But if I don't even have any idea what's coming, it's like a present for myself once a month, and I just thought that that was super great. Something that I forgot to mention about it too is that you are able to change the frequency of your fixes. So basically what that means is you can go up to once every season, so that you're only getting a box for every season just to refresh your wardrobe, or you can get it, I do it monthly, but I'm pretty sure that you can do like every 2 weeks, and there's just different frequencies in between that you can pick from. So that's super nice. You get to choose how often you are receiving these boxes. The first thing that you do is you go on and you do like a style profile thing, and you basically go through all of these questions where they ask you what type of clothes you normally wear, how you wear your clothes, how you like them to fit, and it just really tries to get a good idea of your personal style, and it's going to help them figure out what works best for you. And that part was super fun to kind of like take a quiz about what I like to wear and my kind of style. But then from there, once you fill that out, they also have the style shuffle that you fill out every single day, or you can fill it out every single day. You're not required to, but I find it enjoyable to go fill out every single day. I don't know. But anyways, so I started doing that every single day after I set up my Stitch Fix profile, and I'll put up a little screen recording right here that kind of shows you what that looks like. You're basically thumbs up or thumbs downing different items that they're giving to you that they think you might like. Now, as I had said before, I was super skeptical about this process to begin with. I did not think that they were going to be able to find clothing items that were actually my style. But at this point in time, when I was doing the style shuffle after a couple of days, was the point that I started to get actually pretty excited about it, and I kind of had a little bit more faith at that point that it was going to work for me. And that is because there is a section on the style shuffle that is called Style for You, and that piece actually started popping up pieces that I really genuinely did like, and pieces that I probably would pick up in a store for myself. And so it was at that point that I was like, okay, these guys definitely have a handle on my style, and they are starting to get the idea of what I would actually wear. So after a few days of doing the style shuffle, my first order shipped, and my order was on its way, and then finally the box came in the mail. When I opened it, I definitely was excited because immediately I could tell that a lot of the pieces looked like prints I would wear, styles that I would wear, and that sort of thing. So I'll go ahead and show you what was in the box. So the first thing that I saw in the box, and definitely the thing that caught my eye the most at first, was this dress. Now, if you watched my swimsuits video, then you saw me wearing this throughout that video. I think that I would dare say this item is my favorite item from my first box of Stitch Fix. I thought it pinpointed my style pretty well. I love the cut of it. I love the floral pattern, and then it also has the puff sleeves, which I am a huge fan of this summer as well. well. And then it also has like this ruched back. So a lot of different elements to it that I really love. And up on the screen now you can see an example of how I would style this dress. I just have on this cute hat with it, and then I also have these brown heels with it. Overall, I just think the dress is super flowy. It's pretty. I love the brightness that the white brings to it with the contrast of the darker flowers, and I think it would be perfect for honestly spring or summer. It's been the perfect addition to my wardrobe for that. So that is the first thing. And the next thing that caught my eye was this little brown bag. This is like more of a crossbody bag. Once again, for all of these outfits, I will just have an overlay of how I would typically be styling the pieces. For this one, I went ahead and paired it with this super cute yellow and white outfit. I have this yellow skirt from PacSun and my white bodysuit from Free People. And then I just matched it with the brown heels. The color actually matches perfectly with these heels that I love. So I thought that that was a perfect addition. When I'm wearing those heels, I have something that goes with it perfectly. But yeah, when I saw this, I definitely knew that I wanted to keep it. I thought that it pinpointed my style really well on this one too, and I definitely had to keep it. Okay, and then the last item that I kept from my first box was these shorts. They're just kind of a plain denim short. They don't have anything too crazy different about them. They're just kind of a standard pair of shorts. But I had been looking for a more plain set of shorts that weren't high-rise, because all of the shorts that I have literally are high-rise shorts. So it was nice to have these added in. And then for these shorts, what I did go ahead and style them with was this blue and white striped shirt. I did go ahead and tie it up just because that is how I like to wear my shirts, especially if it's not a crop top. And then I wore them with these chunky sneakers, and I also had the gold star necklace on as well. I think that these shorts are pretty flattering and honestly just a staple that I think everybody needs to have, just a plain denim pair of shorts in their closet. I really just thought that these fit really well, and I liked the color of them, the style of them, and everything, so I decided to keep them. Every box comes with 5 items, so if you notice, that was only 3 items. So there were 2 items that I did not keep from this fix. It was 2 different tops. They were really, really cute. They were both crop tops, but basically the problem with them that I found was that they were a little bit too big on me. So that's why I ended up sending them back. But I really had an internal struggle when I was doing this box, because I wanted to keep all of them, but I knew that just because the 2 shirts were a little bit too big on me, I knew that I wouldn't end up loving them and wearing them in my everyday wardrobe, so I decided that it was best to send them back. But they were really cute and they did capture my style for sure. So after I received this box, I left feedback on all of the items and like let them know that the 2 tops were a little bit too big on me and that sort of thing. And I also continued to do my style shuffle, thumbs up and thumbs down each of the items that they pick for me every single day in between getting this box and receiving my second box. And then finally, the following month after I received my first box, the second one came in the mail, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what was in that box. So the first thing that caught my eye on this box was this super pretty red dress with white polka dots. This is actually a wrap dress, and when I first pulled this out of the box, I was like, what in the heck even is this? Like, I was so confused, and it has like these like odd shaped like ends, and I was just thoroughly confused about what was even happening here. So I had to go online to my profile and see the pieces that they had sent me and like how they style them in order to figure out how in the heck to wear this dress. And then I did figure out that it is a wrap dress. So this is what it looks like kind of when it's all done up. And for this dress, I did style it with just a simple gold necklace and some slide-on sandals. This dress, I honestly am so in love with. Like, the day that I got this in the mail, I took off the outfit that I was wearing and put on this one because it's just so stunning. Like, I just love the way it fits on me. I love the color of it. I typically wouldn't pick red out for myself, but I just think it's gorgeous with this piece. And I just feel like it gives me such a summery vibe with like the wrap style of the dress. And overall, this may be one of my favorite pieces that I've gotten from Stitch Fix so far between both boxes. I just think it's a perfect find. So when I pulled that out of the box, I was so happy about it. That was definitely a great first piece to pull from that one. And the next item that I have from my second box is this floral style spaghetti strap tank top. This one I went ahead and styled with a denim skirt that has a paper bag waist style top, and then I went ahead and paired it with my black strappy sandals from Target. I just thought that this tank top was such a girly and fun one. It's not really like anything else that I really have in my wardrobe. I definitely would not have picked this up on my own, but I thought that once I tied it up, it just gave such a summery vibe, and overall it was just really cute. So I definitely did have a little bit of a struggle on whether or not I was going to keep this one, but at the end of the day I did decide to keep it just because it did give me more of a summer vibe, and I did think it was super cute when it was tied up. Overall it just fits and it flows so well, and that is so cute. Okay, and so the next top that I chose from the second box was this striped kind of a crop top. This one has a super cute like tie already on it, which as you guys have seen throughout my videos, I absolutely love tying my shirts up in the front and giving that cute little knotted look. So this one comes with that already, so I really liked that detail. When I was styling this piece, I went ahead and paired it with a white pair of jeans. I thought that the white and the stripes just looked so cute together. It kind of gave me a little bit more of a fall vibe, and when I decided to keep this piece, I definitely had a fall style in mind. It doesn't really scream summer to me too much. I mean, I definitely could wear it out during the summer this year, but I think that I'll get a lot more use out of it in the fall. But yeah, I definitely felt like this shirt was super my style. I loved the print on it. The stripes were so dang cute, and of course the tie I loved, so everything about it was just perfect for me. And the next item that I got in this box was this pair of denim jeans. For these jeans, I went ahead and styled them with this super cute crop top from PacSun, and then I put these little booties on with it. Because of how the cut of the legs are on these jeans, I just thought that the booties looked so dang adorable with it. Honestly, the bottoms of the jeans were the reason why I ended up keeping this pair, just because I had never owned anything like this with like the cut off bottoms, and I've always seen them around and thought that they were super cute, but never really found any that I liked on myself or anything like that. And so when these got here and they fit super well and they looked super good on, I definitely decided that it was a must-have. Other than the bottoms, I also thought that the distressing on the fronts were super pretty. The back of the jeans aren't really super unique, but it does have a few little distressed pieces on it, and I just thought that they fit super well. They were once again low rise, and all of my jeans are high rise, so I thought that it was the perfect touch. And once again with this one, I was thinking a little bit more ahead to fall. I definitely might wear these jeans during the summer, as I had shown before in the outfit that I styled with like the tank top look, but I think that for sure during the fall, these jeans will definitely be getting a lot of use. Okay, and then the last piece from this box was these black denim shorts. The way that I decided to style these was with this tube top from PacSun. I thought that the contrast between the dark of these shorts and the tube top looked stunning together, so that's why I paired this piece with it. The reason I decided to keep these shorts is because up until this point I did not have a pair of black shorts in my closet, and I felt like that was something that I've been needing for a while and just never really picked up. So I thought that was the perfect addition. Plus, something about these shorts that I've just never seen before but I love in these ones is the fact that the back of the short is cut a little bit longer than the front, and to me I think that that is so flattering. Like, it makes my legs look a little bit smaller in the front, I feel like, and I just think the cut of that is super flattering, and I don't know, I really liked it. And then the fraying at the the bottom too just was the perfect touch to these shorts. So all around, I just thought that they were flattering. Oh, and then they also have a whole bunch of buttons down the front instead of having the zipper, which was a really nice touch, I thought too. So that's why I decided to keep these, and I think that they are super cute as well. So as you guys can tell with that box, that was 5 items that I did decide to keep. So I did keep the entire box that second time around. I just felt like everything fit perfectly. Everything really did match my style, and that does make me excited to see what they're going to bring next. I just feel like every time it does get better, so hopefully it continues to do that, and especially as we head into fall, which is one of my favorite times of year, and I love styling fall clothes. But yeah, I really think that they did a better job than I thought that they were going to at pinpointing my style and being able to like put looks together for me that were actually me and that I would actually wear. So if you're watching this because you're on the fence and don't know if you should try it or not, I definitely think that you should. I think that they have a wide variety of styles, so even if you don't have my personal style, I'm sure that they have something there for you. And they also do some more business casual style stuff, so if you're wanting this to dress up your work wardrobe, you could definitely do that too, and that would really be helpful for that. I'm definitely going to be continuing my subscription. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Stitch Fix unboxings. I can definitely do more as we get around towards the fall months and the winter months and kind of show you what kind of things are in those boxes. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite piece is that I have so far. And that is everything for this Stitch Fix review. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back next Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye guys!